Hello guys, in this video we are going to check whether we are able to install the Chrome extensions on Chromium based browsers. So Chromium project is nothing but the Chrome based project which runs basically most of the web browsers like Chrome, the Kiwi browser, Edge browser and Opera browser. So I currently installed this 5 browsers, out of which Firefox is not a Chromium browser. Apart from that, all other 4 are the Chromium browsers. So let's see and verify if we are able to install the Chrome extensions on these browsers on mobile. So let's try with the Chrome first. I have already copied the Chromium extensions URL in my clipboard. Just going to enter here and no. So if you are able to see this page, then it means that the Chrome web store won't be able to run on this browser. Let's move ahead with the Opera and paste and enter. Now we are able to see the same page, which means even the Opera doesn't support installing the extensions. Now move ahead into the Edge browser and run this. So even the Edge browser is not able to run the extensions on in the mobile. Lastly, we have the Kiwi browser. Just go and paste it. So yes, you can see the Chromium web store is now able to open, and let's try adding one of the extension. Say suppose the star creator, and you can see here you have option to add to Chrome. Just tap on that button and you can see this dialog box appearing. So let's press OK, and you can see the download has happened and Dark Reader is now installed. That means you will be able to install the Chrome extensions on your mobile phone on Kiwi browser only, not other browsers like Chrome, Edge, Opera. We have successfully completed this test, and looks like it's not possible to install the Chrome extension on most of the Chromium browsers on Android phone. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks guys. Cheers. Have a great day.